Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I do not know what my hair is doing, as per usual, but today I thought I would take you along with me because I have a ton of errands to run and I have a ton of cleaning and planning and just getting things ready for July to do at home. And so Kalyn Nicholson, in her videos, I'm sure you've heard me talk about her before because I love her, but she does this thing called GYSTing, which stands for Get Your Shit Together, and she normally vlogs like what she does for that kind of thing. So I'm gonna do like a gist vlog kind of thing on this Monday. It is currently 1 o'clock and I have hockey at 7, so I have a little bit less than 5 hours with like when I have to leave and everything to get everything ready to go. So this is what we have to do today. Number one, I have to take my clothes to Plato's Closet to donate them / sell them to their store. 1, 2, while we're there, we're going to get Tim Hortons or Starbucks. I haven't decided. 3, we have to go to the library. 4, I have to go to the drugstore to get some new makeup wipes. 5, I have to clean the floors. And 6, I have to plan for the month of July, and maybe 7, and if I have time, I'm going to make some summer playlists for my driving around and everything. But let's head off to the first destination. I'm here. Plato's Closet is just kind of like back there, and I'm gonna go there first, and then while they're like calculating all of my stuff, I'm gonna go to Tim's, which is like right there. Really excited. It's freaking hot out, so let's go in and see what we can find at Plato's Closet. Alright, so I am back. I got my Tim's. I'm pretty sure that the lady charged me way too much for my drink, but whatever. We've all been there. We're all learning. It's fine. I got a chocolate chip ice cap. I was just waiting for the people next to me to move, but now somebody else is pulling in. Oh. Okay, I was just waiting for him to go. He's gone. This parking lot sucks, and now I have to figure out how to get out of here. But so I went to Plato's Closet, and they said I can come back between 5:15 and 9. So I guess what I'm gonna do is go to the library, go to Shoppers, go home, do everything, and then I guess I'll come back. Maybe I'll go on the way home from hockey. We'll see, but wish me luck, and I will see you again at the library. I'm at the library. It is behind me. It literally took me like 15 minutes to get here, even though, as you can see, the shopping center right there is where I just was. But they make it like impossible to get anywhere on this side of the road. So I tried going the other way, and then I got into a neighborhood, and then I couldn't go a certain way because it was one way. Anyway, I've made it here. I'm gonna go look for some books. Yeah, then I'm gonna head back home, go to Rexall, and then get my cleaning on. Love it. Alrighty, the library trip is complete. I will show you guys. I got 3 books. The first one I got is called New People by Danzy Senna. I got The Haunted Life and Other Writings by Jack Kerouac because I am still trying to get through his works, even though they're really hard for me to read. And then I also got The Roanoke Girls by Amy Engel. So I have to finish. I'm currently reading, what's it called? A New Loyalty or something by, what is his name? James Comey. But once I'm done that, I've got some books to read. Alright, now I'm gonna try and figure out how I'm going to get to the drugstore, but wish me luck. Rexall is checked off. I just picked up I decided to try out this brand, Aveeno makeup wipes, because my other ones are like 11 bucks, which is not that bad, but these ones are on sale. So I figured I'd try that out, and then I wanted to pick up a primer that wasn't like my glow illuminating one from Glam Glow, because I love that, but it's really freaking expensive, and I don't want to use it unless I need to until I buy like a big container and like splurge. And yeah, anyway, so I just picked up this NYC base primer, pore minimizing primer. It was like 5 bucks, honestly. That's why. We'll see if it works, but now it's time to go back to the house. Okay, so now that I'm home, I'm gonna give you guys like a little first impression of this, just swatching it kind of thing. Okay, that's what it looks like. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. Oh, it's actually like really much better texture than I thought it would be. It's like really like moisturizing, actually. Not really like sticky, which is what I thought it would be. It kind of smells like normal. I don't know. I would actually put this on my face. Like, that's not that bad. It's not all disgusting, which is what I thought it would be. It's a little greasy. That's all right. Basically what it says is that it helps minimize the appearance of skin imperfections. Wait, I just realized it's shimmery. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, that might be a problem. Like, there's like shimmer in it. I don't know, that could be really weird on the face. Like, there's like, I'm trying to figure out if you guys can see this. Yeah, there, like glitter. Okay, that could be interesting. Helps minimize the appearance of skin imperfections, lines, and pores. Skin feels smooth, silky, and moisturized. Complexion looks luminous, natural, and fresh all day long. Dermatologically tested. Well, that's a good thing, right? So we'll see. If it's gonna be like super sparkly, I'm not really sure about this, but it was like 5 bucks, so it's okay if it sucks. Now let's test these Aveeno wipes. Oh, they actually have like a nice scent. They kind of smell like a bath. Okay, so I'm gonna test them by wiping the pore minimizing stuff off of my hands. It didn't really do much, but that might be because it's on my hands. Is there any makeup? Like, let's get some of that mascara off. I did my makeup okay today. There's not anything really on my face. But I'll test it out tonight and you guys can see better. And then I'll test this stuff tomorrow before I go to work, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But anyway, now I'm gonna eat some lunch and then we're gonna get into the cleaning, and it looks like it's gonna rain, which is like 10 times better than regular cleaning. Rain cleaning. I would just like to point out that I did all of that by myself, and it's the first time I run errands all by myself, and I got out of all the parking spots and I didn't hit anything, and it's just a good day today. Let's hope it continues. So in case you're wondering, I'm having leftover hamburger buns with banana and almond butter for lunch in a glass of water, and I'm just gonna watch some YouTube. I'm also testing out the new Panic at the Disco album. Let's see what we think. Let's be completely honest though, is there any Panic at the Disco music that isn't any good? I'm already like in love and I've only heard 2 songs. Can we just talk about how I'm literally Lily saying about her dog and now she doesn't want to leave it at home? I love it so much.
Oh, good. Are you sure about the It hurts so much. It hurts my heart so much. But I know he has to learn. He can't come over. He has to learn how to be home alone. It's fine. It's fine. Mother thing. But he was so sad. He was so sad, Bubba. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Oh, mommy's home. Mommy's home.
Alright, I don't think I put this in my to-do list, but this is my first project. So here is the completed cubby. Only took like 5 minutes. Go me! So I finished, well, I got a good start on my planning for July. I just have to do a little bit more, but I can do that on Wednesday. And then now I have to clean the floors. I think that's it for my list. Well, of course, I have to go pick up my monies from Plato's Closet. So I don't know if I'm going to do that before hockey or after hockey. But that's where we currently are. Guys, so I just got a text from Plato's Closet to say my clothes are ready, so I'm just gonna head out. Just realized that I'm totally like getting something done on my summer bucket list. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it up above. But basically, I just talked about what I wanted to get done this summer, and selling clothes was one of them. And look at what I've done. I've sold my clothes. Yay! Let's go.